glosses, lip liners, and lipsticks, y'all, that I'm gonna go ahead and swatch for you guys.
Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel that? Look in my eyes.
Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in. As always, before we get started, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell if YouTube still notifies people out there, so that you can always get notified when I upload a video. I do want to thank Nova Beauty for sponsoring today's video, you guys. They were kind enough to send over their lip liners, lip gloss, as well as their lipsticks for me to swatch them for you guys. I am so excited, y'all. It's been a while since I've actually done a lip product swatch video. I think the last time I actually did a video like this was 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago. So yeah, it's been a while. So as always, grab yourself a chai, matcha, coffee, whatever snack, get comfortable, and let's go ahead and get started. So here are all the lip glosses, lip liners, and lipsticks, y'all, that I'm gonna go ahead and swatch for you guys. But the PR package is beautiful. I love the mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the specs, a little bit of details to share with you guys about the lip products. I'm gonna start off with the lipsticks. Now I do have here in this PR 26 lipsticks. Now they do say it's infused with sunflower seed oil and vitamin E. It gives the appearance of powdery and youthful lips. Advanced formula provides comfortable wearability. Lips feel hydrated all day, which I love that because I hate lip products that leaves my lips super dry. It's very uncomfortable. I don't like that at all. It is magnet compact, provides a secure hold while in your makeup bag, which that's a plus. Let's go ahead and dive into the lip glosses. Now I have here in my PR package, I have 12 lip glosses that really come in amazing, beautiful shades. Now I will also put all the details for each product down in the description box and the links, obviously. Why you will love these lip glosses: they feel like a lip balm, looks like a gloss. Wow, okay. Made with jojoba oil, which moisturizes and softens lips, and peptides to fill in wrinkles. And also their lip glosses offers an unscented hydrating gloss that is perfect for day or night look. So you can go ahead and swipe the lip glosses on bare lips, or you can go ahead and add it as a topper on any of the Nova Beauty lipsticks for added luminous shine, which I love doing that when I apply my lipsticks. I love adding like a nice gloss on top. That's usually my go-to. Or I love outlining my lips with like a brown lip liner, and then I apply my lip glosses. That's always a look for me as well. Last but not least, the lip liners. Now these do come in 10 shades, probably even more because this is a PR. I don't know if these are all the shades, but from what I'm looking at, I'm assuming these are all the shades. What they're saying that we will love about the lip liners is you can use the Over Precision brush to turn lip liners into lipstick. It does complement all skin tones and undertones. It does have a brush that helps clean up any stray marks. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out one lip liner, which looks like this. It also has the Nova Beauty logo. This is how the brush looks. And then this is exactly how the pencil looks. So I just shared with you guys a little bit of specs of the lip products: lip liner, lip gloss, and lipsticks. You can also check out Nova Beauty for yourself to get a lot more details of the lip products. And I'm also going to put down the price, how much it actually costs. They're not expensive at all. In fact, their lip liners do retail for $10. Their lip gloss retails for $12, and their lipsticks retail for $12 as well. So they're not expensive at all, which is a plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and start diving into lip swatching for you guys. I'm gonna start with all the lipsticks that I have here in the shades. I'm not gonna apply any lip liners or gloss on top. I want you guys to kind of see the color on my skin tone on its own without any other products with it. I'm gonna actually insert the music and you guys can see all the beautiful shades on me. So let's go ahead and get started.
Xoxo Extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. Look, we could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I knowing your attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't.
Alright, my babies, that completes today's video. When I tell y'all my lips is on fire, it's on fire, okay? Luckily, the lip products are not drying on the lips, but y'all know when you put your lipstick on a lip gloss and then you gotta wipe it off, put on a different shade, then wipe it off again. Girl, it is a lot on your lips. But y'all, we made it through the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just went ahead and just used that last lip liner that I went ahead and put on my lips, and then I topped it off with this lip gloss right here because I really did not feel like wiping it off at all. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to check out the description box for all the details and the links that you guys need to purchase any of the lip products that I went ahead and swatched for you guys. I love y'all so much. Now penda sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.